Hello guys, today Dubstechnology Present. I beg to all of you to like and subscribe on my channel, because your support is the best to grow up this channel. Back to topics. So, the OnePlus 6 launch date is now less than 2 weeks away, and with a huge number of leaks and official teasers from OnePlus itself, we have a pretty good idea of what you can expect on May. It looks like the OnePlus 6 price will be the highest the firm has ever charged for a smartphone. Exactly how much it will cost is one of the things we don't know for certain about the new phone, but everything points to it being more expensive than last year's devices. The latest price leaks point to a OnePlus 6 price tag between $520, around £375, AU $690, for the 64GB model and $749, around £530, AU $970. For the new and confirmed 256GB variant, it could go as far as £700 in reality when the UK prices are announced. To put that into context, the $499 price tag of the 5T would have been around £320 when converted, but landed at £449 on UK shelves. It's official, the OnePlus 6 will have an iPhone X style notch in its display, although it will be smaller than the one found on Apple's flagship smartphone. The Chinese firm has also confirmed that the OnePlus 6 will feature the biggest screen it's ever put on a phone, while not increasing the handset's overall size, resulting in a 90% screen-to-body ratio. OnePlus CEO Peter Liu has also confirmed that the OnePlus 6 will have a glass design, which is a departure from the metal unibody featured on the 3T, 5 and 5 tons. A small price increase wouldn't be a surprise considering the specs rumored for the OnePlus 6 and its competition in the market, but a jump quite this large will be hard for some fans to handle. Many OnePlus 6 leaks point to an Android smartphone that combines faster speeds with a trendy all-screen with notch design, while remaining affordable next to other flagship devices. Thanks for watching. So always stay tuned with new videos from my channel. Let's like, subscribe, and share my friends, cause you all the best.